We are now inside the Rushmore Mall. Rapid City. Yeah. This is a dead mall. Diba? Dead mall ba ito o ano? Siyempre, still early, may.
Kahit pa. Yung ano mismo nagsasabi sa atin na that's the old one.
That's the old one.
Mga lumabas na sila nagsarili.
During 70s, yeah.
Siyempre kung mga luma na yung bathroom nila.
Yeah. And they move out of the mall because I think the lease or it's getting old.
Nakita sa atin lang kahit sa mall natin mga binago na yung mga ano.
Yung alin?
Yeah, marami nang bago sa atin
Yan, Rubio Bricks, Sir Robo Bricks. Photos.
Kasi ang ano yung entrance lang dapat makikita mong attractive.
Yeah. Pero may mga tao pa rin, di ba? Rapid City, Mount Rushmore Mall. Okay, there's a Precision Caramel Creations. This is their mall, Mount Rushmore Mall. But where's the people at? No, I'm just go around me. Mag-ano ka kung gusto mong. Yeah, huwag ka nag. Yeah. Yan, victorious.
Disiplina, magra-radyo yung mga bata.
Yeah.
Yan, parang ganyan.
Ikot lang tayo. Yan ang pinaka-exercise natin. Yan, may soda machine. Ito parang ano ito, mami, yung Hobby Lobby. Amuyin mo, Hobby Lobby. Yan, compared to California, we have a Hobby Lobby. But here in Rapid City, they call it at home. See? May boba. This is Nip Knife Work. Knife Work. This is Knife Work. Good morning, ma'am. Can I look around?
Go around where?
No, I want to check your product.
Show me what you want.